Hello dear students, this series is about most expected questions in your upcoming 10th state board examinations. We'll be covering questions from the chapter linear equation in two variables. Today we'll see the sums of 1 mark which have been asked in our main question number 1, A and B. The main question number 1 and A and B is about choose the correct option and solve the following. I'll cover all those questions from this chapter. Let's see the very first question. So for the very first question, we have 5x minus 3y equals to 8, where we have to find the value of the variable y when x is given to us 1. So let's copy the question given to us, which is 5x minus 3y equals to 8. This is the linear equation given to us, where we have to substitute in place of x1 to find the value of the variable y. So here we have the operation with 5 and x is of multiplication, where 5 multiplied by the value of the x will substitute 1. So 5 multiplied by 1 minus 3y is equals to 8. 5 ones are 5 minus 3y is equals to 8. As we know, as we drag the numbers, the terms from left to right, the operation changes. So dragging 5 from left to right of the equation, its operation of positive will change to negative. So we have minus 3y is equals to 8 minus 5. That gives us minus 3y equals to 8 minus 5 as 3. Now the operation of minus 3 with y is of multiplication. Dragging it again from left to right will change the operation to division. So we have 3 minus 3y. 3 divided by minus 3 gives us minus 1. So here the value of the variable y is of minus 1 while substituting the value of x as 1. तो इक्वेशन में x की वैल्यू को 1 सब्स्टिट्यूट करके हमें y की जो वैल्यू है वो -1. The next question is of similar type. इस क्वेश्चन में बट हमें वैल्यू ऑफ x पूछा गया है और y की वैल्यू दी गई है. Method of solving is same. This all questions are being asked in your board questions of 1 marker type. Let's take the question. Question is 3x plus 2y is equals to 29, where in place of y we have to substitute its value 7. So we have 3x plus 2 multiplied by 2y means 2 multiplied by y. So 2 multiplied by y का value 7 is equals to 29. So we have 3x plus 2 multiplied by 7, 14 is equals to 29. 14 का ऑपरेशन यहाँ पॉजिटिव है, लेफ्ट से राइट लेके जाएंगे ऑपरेशन चेंज हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव 3x इक्वल्स टू 29 माइनस 14. लेफ्ट से राइट में जो भी नंबर जाएगा वो ऑलरेडी जो वहां पे नंबर है उसके पीछे खड़ा होगा, आगे नहीं. सो वी हैव 3x इक्वल्स टू 29 माइनस 14 गिव्स अस प्लस 15 प्लस 29 एंड माइनस 14 प्लस माइनस माइनस. 29 में से 14 गया 15, 29 बड़ा है इसलिए आंसर पॉजिटिव. अब 3 यहाँ पे x के साथ मल्टीप्लाई में है, वहां जाएगा डिवाइड. सो वी हैव x इक्वल्स टू 15 डिवाइड बाय 3, hence we get the value of x as 5. So in this case the value of the variable x is 5 while substituting the value of y as 7.